All right, we're here at the O'Reilly's, and we're needing to get a 15/16 socket. Of course, I don't have one at home. So anyway, we're here checking it out. Here, a guy, 15/16, $12.99. But then I get the genius idea. You get 10 for $27.99. That was one for $12.99 or 10 for $27.99. That's basically one each is like $2.80, right?
Well, that's
So,
a good deal. What about 62 pieces for 104?
bro, that's genius.
Well, we don't want to lose money, so what about this? 248 pieces for $200.
I've raised him well. Way to go, bud.